I'm Noah, and we're gonna do a speed draw with markers of the legendary bird trio, and we're really hoping we don't fail on this. So,
but we probably will. So
yeah, don't criticize. Just look at it and
despair.
If you don't like it,
don't
give it to other people to make fun of. So, without further ado, let's start drawing.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
We have our 3DSs to use as models.
Oh, Colin.
So that's what it's talking about.
Colin. Oh. Alright, let's do this.
Our finished speed draw.
Speed marker, really.
So speed marker thing. Pretty awesome. Got some nice swag here.
The Zapdos was probably the best, and my Articuno was kind of like that.
We'll post higher resolution pictures in the description below.
Yeah, so if you want to see it better, just click the link. And, yeah.
Subscribe for more.